What's up, guys? So the M3 is low. We stopped filming the other night because we just wanted to get it done, and some bolts were giving us a really tough time. We're on our way to Warsaw right now to look at another vehicle. And even if we don't buy it, we'll just show you guys what it is because it's cool. But 4 deep in the coupe right now. It's cold. It's snowing.
At least it's warm in the car.
Yeah, it is warm in the car. We have heat this time.
Half of the heat works on one side and half of it blows cold on my side.
When we drove the turbo car, we had no heat in the night. That was awful.
Andrew's supposed to fix that. Let us see. Need a gimbal. Yeah,
This is our very comfortable back seat. Inside this. Literally all hands.
People gon' talk, but it won't change, yeah. Ay, keep it steady up in my own lane, yeah. Ay, bottle service up when I get paid, yeah. Ay, Casa de Amigo sit plante, yeah. Turn that shit up, Caliente, yeah. Ay, kung fu, but I ain't your sensei, yeah. Ay, tore the shit down in my own way, yeah. Ay, I'll be getting bands, getting plante. Pay for, risk cold. Get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt, I gon' smoke on my own. Get these bands, yeah, we gon' roll. Pay for, risk cold.
So this here, guys, M52B28 aluminum oil filter housing with an oil temperature gauge, custom cold air intake, M50 manifold, makes about 218 horsepower. There's a SPEC electrical fan as well as the stock viscous fan, magnesium valve cover, 2.8 liter, Staffa strut bars front and back.
Wrist cold, get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt, I gon' smoke on my own. Smoking our pounds, yeah, we gon' roll. Slide, action, freeze, dancing, slide, action, freeze.
What's up, guys? So we're inside the little blue compact now. It's super loud in here, as you can probably tell. You can hear literally everything in here. We're almost out of gas and we're in standstill traffic in the middle of the highway in the middle of nowhere. So this is going to be very interesting. But this is Trevor's new car, 2.8 liter individual package compact. It's got a steering wheel. It's got a bunch of cool switches.
Yeah, show them the coolest features. Like,
okay, wait. First, look at the floor now. Right. The blue lights. Then this one is. Oh yeah. So we got the RPM gauge. Look at this. Went yellow. When you hit red line, it goes blue because the car is blue. Super cool. Then you got your E-fan and halos here on this switch, but I won't turn those on right now. We'll show those later. It's got an oil temp gauge in here. It's It's got a hydraulic handbrake mounted down here. B Marco Halo seats.
Whoa, I cannot see them.
Sub-belt harnesses. It's a ready-to-go drift car. It's on some sort of coilovers and then betons in the back. Some sort of adapters as well. We're not sure what kind, and extended tie rods. It's a really simple car. We'll film more of it later. What are your first drive impressions?
Yo, this car is fucking sick. Has a lot of different things inside that when you put it together, it makes this car like really amazing and good to drive, I think.
It looks good going down the road?
Fuck yeah.
That's sick.
Looks just as good as my M3 going down the road.
Oh, that's sick. Just as good as the M3. It's crazy cool. Thumbs up. Bumpy here. The diff in this car is a small case from a compact or like E30, so it's a little fragile, and we heard it clunk a couple times not too well, so we're really hoping it holds up. We still have like 3 hours to get back home in this car after just buying it. There's also a big chance there might be a snowstorm, and we're on like summer all season tires, so kind of stressing. We also don't have seatbelts. These don't work, so we're just floating around in here on the way there and on the way back. No seatbelts, which is not, I don't recommend it. I recommend you to wear your seatbelts. Don't do what we're doing, but
Exactly, kurwa.
yeah, exactly, kurwa. That's
Six into the road and it gets hit by a car, we're fucked.
good hot dog.
Look
Nice.
at the camera.
The sheep. OG sheepman would be proud. Alright, we put the harnesses on. I have 3 out of 4 clipped in. It won't save me at all. Honestly, maybe DJ No Way is right. Just wear no seatbelts in situations like this. But race car. Alright guys, so got the lights on. The shift lights are so sick. I love this. It's so fun. It's kind of awful to drive in for a long time though. It is very loud. My back hurts. Like honestly, you gotta have to just drive it like this so you're comfortable. But yeah, I got to piss so bad and we didn't stop at the last place. Hungry as fuck too, because we only ate french fries and a hot dog. The things we do. Alright, we made it back to our hometown. The M3's in front of us. We're gonna go find some Polish ramen now. We'll let you know how that goes. Apparently there's a good restaurant, Trevor knows. But yeah, she made it. My back hurts more than ever. I can't believe we survived 3 hours without seatbelts. It's pretty amazing. Car lives, no weird noises or anything. We found out at Burble's kind of cool. Like, hey guys, so we left off in the car on our way to dinner. Dinner was amazing. The next day we decided to go to a Cars and Coffee. So we're gonna run a little roll of that. We didn't do any talking or anything, but thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends or whatever. But yeah, we appreciate it a lot, and hope you enjoy the new car. Trevor, buddy, your exhaust is on the ground.
How about we sip some, get nasty? Like it when you're tipsy and you get a little ratchet. I take 2 shots, now I know that you'll match it. Falling for me, now you know that I'll catch you. Sexy, flashy, baddie, dancing. Lights on, camera, lights, action. Late night, found a rave. You hit me up, asking where the party at. You pull up, transport, see you on the other side. Can't stand it,